Hello friends, today I came up with a new update. So update is basically Google is testing new design for image search. You can see in a screenshot there is new UX design. So Google may testing a new design for Google image search, and it's looks like a tablet, and here there is more boxes, okay, compare uh, as compare, and Google is changing their UX uh, image search continuously. So this is, I think, they may testing new uh, design, and this update is spotted by Adam, okay, and he posted the screenshot on X and said that just spotted another weird Google image layout being tested on the desktop. So I think this is in the testing phase, and Google is testing new design for image search. So guys, this is my today update. uh, I will come with the next update in next time. Thank you friends.